Welcome to the session. This is actually one of the presentation as part of our ongoing session on the Gen AI with the AWS series. We have other presentation already published and we have a already a playlist. If you want, you can attend other session as well. So in this session, we'll be focusing building an advanced AI application leveraging the popular Gen AI application framework with the AWS service for advanced AI solution like LangChain. Today, we'll explore how AWS Bedrock, SageMaker, and LangChain can be integrated to create advanced AI applications. Let's go through the architectural overview of this. We start with an Amazon S3 bucket, which serves as our primary storage solution. Data stored here accessed by Amazon SageMaker Studio, where developers can interact with the system using Jupyter Notebook. Core component at the heart of our architecture are the SageMaker endpoint. These endpoints are crucial for deploying and managing machine learning models. We use the SageMaker Gemstart models to streamline the deployment process, ensuring that our models are ready for a real world application. Developers interaction with multiple points of interaction within the system. They can use Jupyter Notebook for initial development and testing and later interact with the deployment model through SageMaker endpoints. So let's focus on getting started with Amazon SageMaker Gemstart. The process starts with the developer user accessing the SageMaker Gemstart. The process begins when a developer or user accesses SageMaker Gemstart, enabling them to seamlessly deploy and manage machine learning models with a powerful, ready-to-use tool from AWS. This simulation shows the interaction between the different component, how the user able to deploy with the SageMaker Gemstart. So let's see how pre-built models in SageMaker use for Gems from Gemstart for generative AI solution. Developers we can explore and select a suitable pre-built large language model (LLM) or other model from SageMaker Gemstart available option. This allows seamless integration into various applications, providing a ready-to-use environment for AI-powered solution, enhancing speed and efficiency in development. Scalable model deployment of the SageMaker. Here, in this slide, focus scalable deployment SageMaker and streamlining workflow. The selected large language model is deployed as a SageMaker endpoint. This setup provides a scalable web services efficiently handling interface requests to the model, ensuring robust and reliable AI solutions. This slide focuses on the data storage and management of your LLM deployment. An Amazon Simple Storage Service S3 bucket is a crucial component of your LLM deployment. It serves as a centralized repository for storing data model artifact and other resources related to the LLM deployment and interaction process. Developers or users can upload the data models and other necessary files to S3 bucket for easy access and management. This ensures that all the required resources are ready available for the LLM to process and interact with. The S3 bucket seamlessly integrate with the rest of the architecture, providing a reliable and scalable storage solution for your LLM deployment. It's a fundamental building block that ensures the smooth operation of your application. Let's focus on this slide with developing and interacting with your LLM model in SageMaker Studio. So the simulation specifically covered this, and SageMaker Studio provide a comprehensive development environment for building and interacting with your LLM models. The Jupyter Notebook serves as your workplace where you can write and execute code, explore data, and fine-tune your model. A developer set up a Jupyter Notebook within your SageMaker Studio to work directly with the deployed LLM. This allows you to seamless interaction and experimentation, enabling you to refine your model performance and behavior. The Jupyter Notebook established a connection with the deployed SageMaker endpoint, allowing you to send requests to the model and receive a response. The direct interaction facilitated interactive development and testing. By using this Jupyter Notebook, developers can send prompts and queries to the LLM, analyze its response, and make adjustment as needed. The iterative process allows for continuous improvement and optimization of the LLM capabilities. Okay, look at the streamlining machine learning interaction. So the Jupyter Notebook developers configure LangChain, a toolkit designed to streamline and enhance the interaction with the large language model LLM, including the LLM developed by SageMaker. Integration simplifies the development process, making it more efficient and effective for machine learning application, especially for advanced application which required um, uh, specifically for state and other complex interaction between the application. This focus on the LangChain component of the AI solution, leveraging for enhanced LLM interaction. So to discover the LangChain streamline your interaction with the deployed LLMs. LangChain provides an abstraction layer over direct API call, making the process more intuitive and efficient. Through the Jupyter Notebook and the LangChain, developers can seamlessly send request, process data, and generate text and perform various interaction with the deployed LLM. LangChain handles the complexity of API call, allowing you to focus on your application logic. LangChain simplify the process of interacting with the LLM, making the easier for developers to build applications that leverage the powerful power of the generative AI. By using LangChain, you can create more sophisticated and engaging experience with your users. Uh, so with the LangChain, a bridge between your application and LLM, you can enable your user to interact with the model in a more natural and conversational way. This enhance the overall user experience and open up new possibility for your application. So this slide focus on optimizing the machine learning interaction. Optimizing machine learning interaction based on the output received from the LLM, developers can iteratively refine the interaction, adjust parameters, prompt or data input to achieve a better result using LangChain's capabilities. This process enhances the efficiency and effectiveness of the machine learning applications. So let's covering how the integrating machine learning output. So integrating machine learning output, finally, developers can integrate the desired LLM output and interaction into broader application or services, automating process, enhancing user experience, or developing a new AI-powered feature that use the LLM capabilities. This integration leverages the full potential of machine learning models for various applications. So let's conclude what we have learned so far. So to build a real-world AI application, finally our architecture ensures smooth integration for real-world application by harnessing LangChain for generative AI techniques and using SageMaker Jumpstart for model deployment. We can build a sophisticated AI solution that meet various business needs. Thank you for joining our presentation. We hope this overview has provided a valuable insight into your how AWS service can combine to create a advanced AI solution with the LangChain framework.